guess what? It is time for a Walmart beauty unboxing haul or video or whatever you want to say. So I've been doing Walmart the beauty box for a couple years now. Actually, I started doing it when I first started doing my YouTube channel, and I loved it. But over the years, it has been kind of a fail, and it has been kind of good. They recently, you know, changed their prices. Now it's like $7 for a box, but you never know what you're gonna get. I do know when you did sign up, they asked you a couple different questions, and you're like, okay. So it kind of goes on based on like, I think your skin type or whatever. But if you guys are interested in the Walmart beauty box, they give you a box 4 times a year, so every season, and they give you items of the stuff that you'll be needing. So this is the spring box, which I am super excited for. But these usually run about $7. They do give you a heads up when they are going to charge your credit card for it, but you can't go wrong with this. So it's just a little over $7 with tax included. But this is the spring beauty box. Now, another thing is everything does vary. Some of you guys might get different things. Some of you guys might get the same stuff. I don't know how they choose that stuff, but let's just dig in and share with you guys, or share with you what I got. Now, it's really hard to get it open. We're just gonna rip it. We're just gonna rip it. Okay, and voila! Okay, and stuff's already falling out. Thank you. Thank you, Walmart. Okay, so they always give you a little card. Did I drop that? Really? Okay. So here it is. It is the Spring Spotlight, and here they have all the items in here. Now, some of these items are full size, some of these items are sample size, so it does vary for thing. So let's just dig in. We got a nice blue piece of tissue paper. I am a crafter, so I could always find something to do with that. But the first full size item that I see are these Kiss Gel nails. Now this is a full size, so these are fantasy sculpted nails. I don't know if you can paint them or you just kind of leave them as is, but there's 28 nails in here, and this is $7.97. So this product alone just paid for the box. This product right here paid for the box. So if you guys like that stuff, I've never used like fake nails before. I don't know. How would you guys, do you paint these? Like, can you paint these with fingernail polish, or you just leave it as is? Because anything my color, I look pale enough as it is, but I don't know. I don't know. What would you guys do? I'd probably paint these. I'd try, but I'd paint them a different color. But $7.97, we got that. And then I also got a little sample of the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare. So this is stuff that I know they've sold before. Now, these are serums. We have, okay, so it's for all 4 different color skins of yours. So if you're fair, light, medium, or deep. So that's kind of cool. And then you could give it to your friends who have different skin tones. So I would probably do the fair or the light. But it is a primer. It is a color correcting serum moisturizing primer. And then the fair is for redness neutralizer. The light is for total brightener. The medium is for dullness reducer, and the deep is for dark spot neutralizer. So that's kind of cool. I wonder if it would make a difference. I should try that. I'm going to try this out and see how well it does. But for a full size bottle of this, you're looking at $14.98. So this is just like a sample. This might be a 1 sample. Usually I kind of do like 2 days for these samples, so you got a couple days of sampling products. Now here is another thing we got. It is perfect for when I go, like when I travel and stuff, I like to bring these items with me. So this is a Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid hydrating cleansing gel. So I usually use a cleanser while I'm taking a shower and rinse it off. So there is this. The full size of this is $8.99. So you got a little sample of that. So that is kind of cool. I also have a perfume sample. It is called, it's Sunny Honey Juicy Couture Rock the Rainbow. It is one of those little things. This is, the full size of this is $38.97. So I have allergies, really, like when it comes to certain like perfumes, my allergies really, it's alright. It kind of reminds me of a like Clinique. Like I haven't had Clinique in years, but it kind of reminds me of Clinique. But here's just like a little sample if you guys need to spray something or have it in your car for a little spray, spritzer, all that stuff. We got a little sample of that. I also got the Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel, and this is a lavender. The full size for this is $7.97. It does say product will vary, so it looks like they're giving everybody different possible Thayer products. But I've never used a facial toner. I really don't know what it does. It says apply with a cotton ball or soft pad to cleanse, soften, refresh, and moisture skin. Use anytime throughout the day as a softening refresher. Okay. If you guys ever use this stuff, let me know. I've always seen it like maybe possibly couponing, but I never get it. Now here is a little sample. It is the Kristen S. This is a dry shampoo. The full size for this is $14.97. So again, this is something cute when you're traveling. For me, I always like wash my hair, but I do use dry shampoo from time to time, but it's a cute little bottle. So we got a nice little sample of that. And then here it is a Mark Anthony Repair Bond. It is Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment. The full size for this is $8.47, but it's just like a little spray. It says lightly spray onto clean, damp hair, comb through, and style. So you just kind of leave-in treatment. It's kind of like conditioner or something. So that was that, and that was everything that I got. Like I said, everybody gets different things, so they do have stuff, and then sometimes there's stuff in your box that doesn't show up on this little catalog, but they do look like they got a full-size lashes. They have some EOS Shea Butter shaving cream. That would have been something I would like to try. CeraVe, they have Nexus, but yeah. So that was everything in my box. So again, I paid $7 for it, and we're gonna just take this little ripped up box, and we got the leave-in conditioner, we have the dry shampoo, the Witch Hazel, we have the Neutrogena, we have the little perfume spray, and then we have the full size nails. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $7. I think that's a pretty good deal. Might not be stuff that I'm like super happy with, but I am happy with it because this is stuff that I can definitely use while we're traveling. And please let me know if we can paint those nails, because I don't know. They look nice, but they're just not me with my paleness, so yes. But if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and I love to help you guys save some money and try new things while we're saving some money. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the fall. See you later. Oh, actually, no. I'll see you guys in the summer. I'm already skipping ahead. We had summer a couple days ago, and now it's back to winter, so yeah. But I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.